Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things shall be given to you as well.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky.Onjahnae and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. It is day 6, which means we are halfway there, like, and of course we had to do a banger for our halfway mark. Oh, I'm sorry, my earphones falling out. But yeah, we had to do a banger for this halfway mark, and this look, baby, the fact that it came out this good and how I visioned it. Okay, I'm done talking. Let's just get into how I even did this. Come on, homegirl. Okay, so this is our face. Keep it simple on the eyes because the lights is the focus of this look. Okay, y'all. Why is my camera battery dying? Anyway, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous because I got this. I got this. It's not gonna be much talking because I need to focus because, like I said, this is a very intricate look. And yeah, so just watch me and enjoy the turnout. That's all I got.
So yeah, when I say I was literally dreaming about this look and the fact that it actually came out the way that I saw it in my head, God really was like, let me bless her hands with all things beauty. It's like being talented at all things beauty. But yeah, anyway, I pretty much just added a white base because, you know, white base makes your colors pop, and we trying to have these Christmas lights shining like they're actually lit, like y'all saw on my face already. But I actually messed up my first light bulb, so I had to go back in and fix that. I was supposed to leave the bottom open, you know, where the base is supposed to be for the light bulb. But you know, an easy fix. That's why makeup is my form of artwork, because it's so easy to just go back and, you know, fix whatever you messed up. But yeah, basically all of the light bulbs pretty much are the same as far as technique wise. The colors just change depending on the color light bulb. So because I'm using this red, I'm taking there's no deeper red that I could find, so I just took black. So, you know, give that light bulb that dimension so you can actually see and get that effect that it is lit and that is actually glowing. Now, you know, I'm gonna just let you all watch for a little bit, because pretty much I'm doing the same technique. It's just, like I said, it depends on the light bulb which colors I'm going to be using. So yeah. Oh, and before I, you know, stop talking for a bit, I just want to let y'all know that I am using the crayon case, the matte book palette, and I'm also using my palette from that Luxe Glow company that I showed you in one of my, I can't remember which day it was for my 12 days of Christmas, but it was either day 1, it was probably day 1 and day 3 where I used that palette. But yeah, I used both of those palettes to achieve this look. And then of course my P. Louise white base, I use that for everything. But right now I'm just lining up, making it a little more crisp, and I'm gonna go in and add more details. But you know, you all can watch that. I'm gonna finally shut up now. Hey girl, hey. Hope I didn't startle you by popping back in. I just wanted to let you know how hard it was blending out this yellow light. I don't know what it was, but I don't know, it was just so hard for me to get it to look blended and seamless and like it was actually glowing. But I don't know. What I really want to say is this yellow from the matte book. First of all, I swear by the matte book for my colorful looks because it has all the primary and tertiary colors, and I'm throwing around these terms like this is art class. But wait, I mean, it kind of is art class because what I'm doing is art. Like, I'm literally creating a masterpiece with eyeshadow. Like, probably couldn't do this with no crayons or paint or markers or anything, but when it comes to eyeshadow, I'm gonna create some art. But anyway, this yellow is like a really pure highlighter yellow. It has 3 yellows, but this one specifically that I use is like a highlighter yellow. And that's why this light specifically, the 2 yellow bulbs I have, those literally look like they're glowing. Like they all look like they're glowing, but those 2, those are still in the show for me. And it's because of this yellow. And I also used it on the outside to get the glow, but you'll see more of that as the video goes on. But yep, I just want to say that.
Okay, y'all, so we got all the lights, so I'm really excited. I like how it's turning out. This took me so far like an hour and what time is it? Like an hour and a half to just do the actual bulbs themselves. So yeah, they're coming out really good. I know it looks crazy, but you know with makeup you gotta trust the process. I am gonna do like some touching up, do a little extra shading, and then we are going to attach the strings and do the extra details. I'm so excited because it's actually looking so good. So yeah, let's do that.
Fellow artists watch, whatever. For my fellow creative individuals watching this. So let me just explain to you as far as making it to look realistic. This helped me think about how I should actually do the bulb. So the white that I'm adding in the middle towards like the middle bottom area, think of that part as the actual light bulb. You know, when you have an actual light bulb, they have that little wiring or whatever electrical stuff in the middle of it. That's the actual electric charges or whatever that makes the light. That's what that white spot is supposed to be. The color, so the red, yellow, blue, and green, that's the actual light bulb coloring. So you know how you can have soft light, you can have white light, you can have daylight. That's what that is. And then when we get to that part, I'm not going to explain that right now, but when you get to that part, you'll see how I got the actual glow of the light.
Okay, y'all. Okay, so we added the lights. I mean, not the lights. We added the white inside so they can look like they're glowing. I'm going to do my string. I think I'm gonna do green, maybe black. Should I do green or black? Green. And yeah, I'm gonna just do the lines to connect them, and then we will go from there. I'm gonna be using my NYX liquid eyeliner to draw the base of my flowers. What are these? Light bulbs. So let's do it.
Okay, y'all, I'm literally just using my NYX liquid liner in black, and this is fairly simple, so I'm not going to bother explaining this. I just need y'all to understand how relieved I am about this look, because it was really going to drive me crazy. I was dreaming about this look. I was thinking about it all day. Well, for a couple days, because I've been thinking about doing this look. Like my friends know, I've been talking about doing this look for a couple days now, and yeah, but I was so strategic when it came to this look. I had a plan. I was dreaming about the actual steps and like which method, because you know with makeup there is no one size fits all, one method, one way to do everything. You can do so many different things and achieve achieve the same results. But I literally made a sketch of this because in the words of my best friend, this is some geometry right here. Okay, it's a whole lot of geometry going on as far as all these shapes and the directions they should be laying in order for the light bulb to look like they're actually hanging on the cord. So let me insert this picture of me actually drawing out my outline. If you have an iPhone, this is what I do all the time when I'm trying to figure out a look. I take a picture of myself. I know I look real crazy, but I take a picture of just a bare face looking crazy like this, and then I draw. I don't know if you have a stylus, but I have a pen that has the stylus on the end of it, and I use the markup feature on the iPhone to sketch out my looks beforehand. So when it comes to actually doing them, and this is not for every look, not my regular makeup, but when it comes to stuff like this, I have to sketch it out, because when I sit down and do it, I already know it's going to take me a long time doing whatever crazy, wild, creative look. I don't need to try to figure it out right before. I just need to sit down and be able to do it. So I do me a little face chart first. And when I said this core was stressing me out, it was stressing me out. I had to just erase everything and redo it because I used paint and it started cracking. I don't even know why I decided to use paint for this in the first place. I should have just used my eyeshadow and the eyeshadow base. But yeah, don't use paint.
Alright, so y'all, I decided to add rhinestones on my lids just for a little extra razzle dazzle, you know. I really wish I didn't use paint for the cord because it is cracking a little bit, but I'm not redoing it and y'all can't see that. That's my business and I just put myself out there. But yeah, we're gonna add this glow and then we are almost done with this look.
I'm so sorry. I do not know what happened to my clips of me doing the red and the blue light. But basically, all I'm doing is I'm taking, remember I was talking about that highlighter yellow. For the yellow lights, I'm taking that and just that excess white around it. I'm using that lighter color to make the light bulb look like it's actually glowing and illuminating. So I'm using a light green for the green bulb, a baby blue for the blue one, pink for the red, and then that highlighter yellow for my yellow bulb.
Alright y'all, this is what we looking like. It looks so good, I know. Okay, but we're not done. I still gotta do my lash, well, not do my lashes, but actually put my lashes on. I don't do too much on the eyes. I did add rhinestone, just, you know, a little razzle dazzle. If my face gonna be glowing, my eyes should be glowing too. So let's put on lashes. Before I go on to my hair, I think I want to try this red lip because my mom was like, you should do a red lip because y'all know it's always gonna be new for me. But we're gonna try red lip first, and we're actually gonna try my homegirl Caitlin. She has a YouTube channel too. Make sure you subscribe and watch her channel. We both doing 12 days of Christmas. I will link her below, but yeah, I'm gonna do her red lip method that she did. I'm not gonna explain it because you're gonna go watch her video and she's gonna explain it. You're just gonna see how good it looks on me too.
Y'all, even like rewatching this as I'm editing, I just cannot believe how good this turned out. Like, good job, homegirl. Pat yourself on the back. Well, pat myself on the back. Well, you know, I can't, you know, take all the credit because God gave me this talent, baby. My hands, $1 million hands. But can y'all believe that I really got this video down to what, 14 minutes? And it took me 5 hours to do this whole look. 5 whole hours, and I got the video down to 14 minutes. And that's because a lot of this look is repetition. You do one light bulb, you do them all pretty much. They're all done the same way. And it's a whole lot of shading. That's really all this look was. If you know how to blend eyeshadow and really, you know, shade your eyeshadow in and know how to create those dimensions, then you will be good doing this.
Ooh, okay, I like the red. Okay. Shout out to Caitlin and my mama because this red lip. Okay. But we are not done with this look. I'm about to do the finishing touches and we are about to do it just.
Oh, this is just so beautiful. Okay, when I say I'm gonna be lit this holiday, this is what I mean. Okay. Thank you all so much. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, leave me some thumbs up, some comments. Let me know how you like this look. And I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Bye.